Hi, friends. The world is changing rapidly. You know, whatever you have seen today is completely changed by itself. Maybe there is a contribution of yours, or may not be, but it is changing. One thing we are listening today very commonly, that is crypto or bio or blockchain. These kind of words we are listening. Few years ago, we are listening. At that time, we are not taking care of seriously. We are not taking it seriously. But nowadays, very few are untouchable. Everyone is everyone is touched by these words, by these things. A lot of investor professionals are endorsing this investment in crypto technology, crypto utility token. I have just read one quotation that 4,000 plus crypto uh, tokens are there in this world right now, and almost all every one is growing. That means it is giving something, not taking anything from your pocket. And people always thought about decentralization of economy because nobody wants to lose their freedom in terms of finance or in terms of anything. So this is also a kind of decentralized economy, and people are really exploring it with their accessible knowledge, with their availabilities, with their of circumstances and everything. But here I am today talking with you about a company which is which have its of own complete ecosystem providing you health and wellness, and as well as giving opportunity to have uh, access of crypto technology, that is web3 technology, or you can call it metaverse of vroots, that is limoverse. Limoverse is the name of our vroots, and it is it is launching very soon. One thing is very clear, that vroots has got its own ecosystem in terms of health, in terms of their genome tests, and as well as gene sequencing uh, kind of services and precision tools, uh, variables, etc. and etc. So they are a company which has got already a platform to launch into this metaverse universe, and they are doing it very uh, brilliantly. So I'm just inviting you all, since it is my niche also, wellness is my niche also, and I'm a wellness entrepreneur and mentor, as well as giving lifestyle coaching. So this is my passion also. So in terms of that niche, I'm in connection with that niche. I'm just connecting with you with this information that vroots is now in blockchain technology. vroots is now operating with blockchain technology web3, and it is available right now for everyone, and there are a lot of rewards during airdrops. And now when it will completely in launching pad, and you may not get this much of facilities, this much of rewardable, this much of uh, token of appreciation from vroots, which is now readily available. So for this, you connect with me, I'll give you more details, and we will talk about this. Thank you so much. Awaiting your connection request. Thank you so much.